Hi guys, today let's discuss this DEX swap, especially for those who ask questions, how I convert my airdrop tokens into like USDT or stable coins and then stable coins to like e-wallets, etc. guys. Now, again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then go to settings and select your preferred language, guys. So today let's discuss this swap under the DEX. As per observation dito guys, no, ang daming mga nagtatanong sa atin paano yung strategy natin, especially all the airdrop tokens, paano natin kino-convert. Ano yung mga sa tingin ko is based from my experience lang ito guys, no. Ganun itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some insights dito. So like for example, gusto nilang i-convert yung tokens nila into stable coins para ma-withdraw into or going to P2P. So, ito yung gamit natin na application, and ito, bigyan ko na lang kayo dito guys ng example dahil itong Susu Value is merong airdrop na paparating, no. So, as per reading doon sa kanilang documentation, based dito sa airdrop, sa current ongoing airdrop is kailangan ma-verify yung pinaka-wallet. So, I just connected my wallet dito, and then meron na lang 1 day and as of recording this video para ma-verify yung wallet and makapag-claim ng pinaka-tokens, no. Medyo matagal ko na rin na pina-farm itong Susu Value tokens, and active ako dito daily din just to get some small amount of airdrop. So as of now we have 449.57 and I just verify my wallet dito. So I just connected and nakita ko yung pinaka-rewards ko dito. And yun yung isa sa mga nabasa natin. Please be careful lang dito guys. Ang dami ring mga nagka-copy ng mga fake links. So please be careful. Make sure na verified, tama yung links na select nyo. So as of now, ito. I just give some example lang. Like for example, I get some tokens na dito. For example, nakuha ko na ito. So, pupunta lang ako dito sa DEX. And then, dito sa my swap. So, available naman ito sa cellphone. Ayan. And then, I think under base yon. So, select ko lang dito. And then, sa my all. And you can also select dito sa 40 plus na networks. Kasi, daming aggregators din itong DEX app na ito. So, for example, sa base, no. And then, I just search lang ng Susu tokens. And dito, guys, isa sa mga criteria ko dito is meron siyang badge, no. Like for example, this one. Kasi ang daming mga nagka-copy dito and walang mga badge. So please be careful sa mga ganong tokens, no. So after that, you can just select stable coins dito under base network. So like for example, USDC, and then USDC to USDT if you want to convert into USDT. Meron tayong video niyan sa ating YouTube channel. Feel free to comment na lang para bigay ko yung pinaka-official video sa comment section guys, no. So after that, you can just convert into like e-wallets, no. So ganun lang ginagawa sa mga nagtatanong. Hope you get some insights or ideas dito. And please be careful din pala dito guys kasi formerly based to. Pero as per checking dito is nasa value chain, no. I think it's different chain. Maybe I'll make another video na lang dyan. Just an update. But then again, sa mga nagtatanong dito kung ano yung application natin na ginagamit for the airdrops in general. So, you can just explore this one. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang. Ayan. So, sana nagkaroon kayo dito ng ideas, insights. Marami pang mga networks dito as mentioned kanina. 40 plus yan. Kaya makikita natin dito. And may mga iba't ibang airdrops before like Plasma, Sui, Zay, like Xlayer as well, Zeta, and marami pang iba dito guys, no. So you can check this one if you are interested, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong. So yun guys, no, hopefully nagkaroon kayo dito ng update as well as ideas. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.